Hi guys, Jack here from Jack Aquatics and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about unboxing this DIY reef building kit from ArtReef rocks. This is a large kit that I will be unboxing. They come in small, medium, large and extra large. So we will be unboxing this and let's get started and see what's in this kit. I'm really excited to showcase this kit to you all. So what you can see here, the packaging is done really nicely and there is all over fragile stickers and a solid box. If you buy it from our website videoaquatics.com.au, you will receive your kits exactly in this way. Also, we will be selling the other sizes too, which is small and extra large. So all the 4 sizes will be available from our website. Also, what you will find that this large kit is for 45 by 45 by 45 centimeter scape. So pretty much you can make a scape of a height of 40 to 45 centimeter. It comes with the glue, so gel glue and the activator. So that's how you will stick the rocks together. And then also there is a 3-part epoxy kit, which basically you use after applying the glue. And glue is used for creating a scape quickly, and after that, instead of cement, here they supply epoxy joining kit, which comes in 3 parts and which makes it really solid joint. And also this epoxy kit is pretty much, the color is matching to the stones that you will see now. So all the stones that you are seeing here, they basically come in 2 different shapes. So what you will see first is these slabs. So they are really nicely packed, as you can see here, in bubble wrap. And I will be opening every slab. And in the large kit, there are 7 slabs and 14 branches. So branches are really nice too. And you will see in a few minutes that branches will help you to create a beautiful, branchy, natural looking scape. And slabs are for creating a space for larger corals. But overall, everything is there and it's more than enough to create quite a large scape. So here is what you get in the kit. Like you can see, there are 14 branches and 7 slabs, and these branches are actually, some of them are really big, which I will use to create a base, and slabs obviously to create a space for the corals. So overall, there's quite a lot of rocks that you can use, and this is how you will kind of join these 2 rocks using the gel glue that comes with the kit and also the activator. And also what you see in that nice little bottle, it's a 100-gram glue, and next bottle is a spray which is for the activator. So basically you will use little bit glue on the joint and then spray the activator to make it solid. Also, the epoxy kit comes with everything. So next week we'll show you what is included in the epoxy kit, and it's pretty much everything is in there, including the gloves, measuring cup. Everything is there for you to create a nice little project. So here is the epoxy kit, and I will be opening that now. And what you can see next on the screen is complete content of the epoxy kit. So this kit comes with the 150 ml epoxy resin part A, 50 ml epoxy hardener, which is part B, 500-gram granular filler, which gives a really nice look, protective gloves, measuring cup, steering sticks, and even the acrylic rods, to create a extra support for the structure. So if you want to do a little project at home, everything is provided, which is really super cool from ArtReef rocks. So let's open this kit and see what's in it exactly. You can see there is a mixing cup and with gloves and 2 steering stick. Next, in satchel, you can see there's a granular filler, which we will be using when we're gonna mix the complete solution. The small bottle is the epoxy hardener and the bigger bottle is epoxy resin. So what I like about this kit is that it's a complete kit. You don't need to use your own gloves or get a separate mixing container. So ArtReef rocks have taken care of that, and I'm really excited to start on this kit and see what I can create. So I will post another video very soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, because a lot of ArtReef projects that I have done even in the past, I am releasing the videos slowly, but I was waiting for this kit, and I thought this will be the first video to showcase to you guys what comes in the kit so that any of our customers can create it by themselves. So stay tuned guys for the next video, and I hope this video was really helpful, and these kits will be available very soon on our website, most probably in around 4 weeks time. Thanks a lot, and see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.